engana yogo ichania kuruchinse mochia chokifira Bochura ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ebunge ya Kisii egose county ya Kisii ase omonyanyimbo kosaba nyanyimbo kubwaterana amone kiombegelkia NACADA babwaterana ase obonyabi obotindi bomoliogo yogotindia obwerera barabo kobeka biara amaliogo yogotindia tari make ayomaikate buna enyasore ase chinse mechio obonyabi obo ni obwandawa amo no county commander we county ya Kisii munago tumonye muliko itotipon asanya
13,940
ogokumia asomubaro welibo yenyasole wetania ebitundu 52 nigo abanyanyimbo beserikali nene kurwase county ya Kisii bakurawa nomo commander o Kisii Ronald Kirui.
We are here with a multi-agency team comprising officers from the NACADA and officers from the National Police Service at this area known as Tukavila in Nyamira, Kisii County. We have carried out a serious operation on the drugs and substance abuse at this particular home, a home we were some few weeks ago over a similar crime. At this home, we have arrested 5 suspects that we found at the scene, and upon carrying out search at this particular home, we were in a position to recover 79 brooms of suspected cannabis sativa, which is a drug, a motorbike, which we believe was being used to ferry these commodities.
Maiga yomokia buko babeka byara abakagerwa batano aho bagokora obonchuli oboiga nigo omukagerwa monene ale asechimbero.
Key main suspect that escaped our in our operation is a suspect that is before court. This similar suspect we arrested some few weeks ago, took him to court by trafficking narcotics. He's before court with about 292 kilograms of the similar substance.
Gukona sekerekyo abo bisakurwa sekyombe kia NACADA nigo bereneria mbuya mono guchia asaba na inchi bali bagenderete gwaka oroboti na koletu bwasio kubwe bikolebi.
My name is Nicholas Kozige, the head of enforcement from NACADA. I want to really and sincerely thank the public for sharing information. We as NACADA act promptly on complaints. Kindly still forward the same to our office for action. We all know the effects of bhang in the community. Hivi vijana munaona wakikimbia na pikipiki wanafanya accidents. Most of them are usually under the influence of bhang. Hii unaona hii crimes yote inaonekana hapa. Vijana burglaries, robberies.
Hokoboria gochesa bamenyi be county ya Kisii.
What we want to appeal to our members of the Kisii community is for us to be very alert, for us to carry out serious surveillance from these known drug barons across Kisii County. In Kisii County, we have carried out serious operation on illicit tools.
Komentana yue eirenene kurwasa abanyanyimbo.
And as a National Police Service, we are committed to joining the community in fighting these vices. And even the media, we want to ask you to assist us.
Omukageru yu monene omanyekaine nabange. Ligaboli gwesokia na goikirana goikasegeta seniki abanyanyimbo.
Suspect, we are asking him to surrender himself to police so that we can prosecute him accordingly.
We shall move around the country and we are going to conduct a very thorough and sting operations going forward.
Overall, across the county, we are carrying out similar operations across our county to rid the community from dangerous drugs and illicit tools.
Kuripoteri getaseniki ya obwanchete kia Getembe Television Network Bochura ilitira na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.